You have like the who's who list of investors. And what I find interesting is not common, not unique to you. It's come up a lot recently. You sat on a lot of the money that you raised for quite a long time. You've gone out and done an acquisition. What's that like, deciding to spend the funds raised?
It's look, with everything we do, just as we're trying to help our customers get more from every dollar an hour, we want to too. And I think you're exactly right. The business has raised more than $2 billion of equity capital. The vast majority of it is still on balance sheet, and Ramp is even generating cash, even as we're one of the fastest growing companies in the world now.
Interesting. Would you give me a number on that? Any sort of financial metric on the health of how it's going?
I would say this. We've had 4 straight quarters of accelerating growth. The business is, call it doubling every year, which is really an outlier. And last year, I believe together, we shared that last summer we passed more than $1 billion a year in revenue in US dollars. And so we've seen that growth rate even accelerate. So it's quite unique.
Looking at Block as an example, will you reduce headcount because of AI?
Look, we have salespeople who are closing 2-3 times the dollar value of deals than we did last year. And from my vantage point, when you have people who can do that, you want to hire as many as you can as fast as possible.